Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, I hope you guys are doing a good week. Doing a good week? Or having a good week, right? So today is Wednesday, hump day, half the week is gone. Can you believe it? That went by like really fast. And so anyway, today what I have for you is 2 pieces of friend mail. And so also I will be revealing the winner for the 28th, I think. Let me take a look. The giveaway from the 28th with the secret code being Bombas. So that's gonna be a commercial break. So if you're interested in seeing those 2 things, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I was saying, I hope you guys have been having a good week. And today, I have 2 pieces of friend mail, okay? And one is from my beautiful YouTube partner, Stephanie, who is with Opinionated Horsewoman. There, I got it right the first time, Stephanie. And so that's this package here. And also, I got a card or a friend mail from one of my beautiful wildflowers, Mary Ellen Rector, and here it is. And I'm holding it like this because I don't want to show her address, but yeah, and so I'm really excited about it because I love friend mail, even a postcard just thrown in there, and it's just, I don't know, it just feels really good. And I try to do the best I can. If you made your address available to me, that I do drop a card at times just to say hello. And so let's see, let's start with Mary Ellen's. And you know, I'm gonna take a look real quick before I read it, make sure that it's okay to read out loud, because sometimes people do share personal things with me, and I don't want, I don't want to make that public. But let me take a look. Oh, it is a very beautiful card, and it says, "Thinking of you." Aw, that is so nice. You see? In such bright colors, and it has a heart in the back, and it says, okay, I gotta put on my glasses, okay? It says, "Hi Alexis, I received your beautiful card today. It is a great way to start your day. I hope all is well with you. I'm glad you got those socks. I pray that they'd help you," because if you remember the Bombas socks, I got them because I fell down the stairs. My husband said, "You're getting some socks with grips." Okay. "I value your friendship. When I started watching YouTube, that I would make not just a friend, but a valued friend. Your friend, Mary Ellen." Aw, thank you so much, Mary Ellen. And this totally makes my day. It makes my week. And thank you so much for that. And the socks have been working out, so this is good. And so I hope you're doing well as well. And I did go ahead and send her a card. And like I said, if you make your address available to me, even if you've won past giveaways, I don't keep your address unless you specifically tell me that it's okay, because I don't want to do that, okay? Unless you say it's okay. And if you want a card, sometimes I just drop a card in just to say hi, how are you, and try to give you some inspiration for the day. Feel free to forward it to my email address, which is at the bottom of my details tab, okay? And next, this is from Stephanie. And Stephanie, you know that I'm Japanese, right? And you know this could be a never-ending thing here, because in case people don't know, the Japanese people, when they receive something, they have to give something back. And it becomes a vicious cycle. It goes back and forth and back and forth. And I've seen it happen to my mother. And I'm like, oh my God, these people are just like back and forth, back and forth. So anyway, yeah, it's starting to look like that, Stephanie. So yeah, and in case you don't know who Stephanie is, she is called the Opinionated Horsewoman. And she does have a YouTube channel. And she's also a content creator and one of my very good friends. And she has really helped me out. She's got got started in YouTube, you know, well before I did. And so every time I would have these little issues, I would reach out to her, and she's always responsive to me. She's so very kind. And we're also venting partners. We vent about stuff. Of course, not about, you know, so much YouTube, but, you know, other things in life too. So yeah, is I'm just trying to be really careful while I'm talking to you that I'm cutting this, and I got my scissors because I saw how it was packaged, and I don't want to ruin the package because it is taped so just so pretty. And of course, but I am a bull in a china shop, as you all know. So, okay, here we go. Pretty good. But it is so cute back here. I don't want to like tear through it. It has, she knows how much I love these colorful little stickers, and as does she. And so she stuck them all on here and was very creative at recycling one of her envelopes here, which is nice. And I like to do that as well, to recycle things, you know, be nice to the earth. And so as I'm speaking to you, I'm trying to open this. Sorry. Okay. And let's see. All right, got it open. See, an envelope. She's so creative, she just folded it. I wouldn't even thought to fold it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Yay. Cute little stickers. She's got stickers in here, and she always sends them, and I actually plan, and I have a journal, so I have a little box of stickers, and I just add them in there, and I stick them in places in my journal, and kind of makes me smile and kind of remember where I got them and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty little Lily. Oh, what a Lily. Lily, my cat Lily. Okay, and oh, another Lily. And you guys, if you don't know who Stephanie is, please do check her out. And if you like her, subscribe to her. She's fun, she's funny. But one thing I love about her, she's honest, and she will tell it to your face. She's not one of those type of people that like to create drama, which I love. Okay, and look, a cup with a rose. Ooh, butterflies. Oh, these are really good for my journaling, actually, because they're small enough to stick them in my places. And look, my little pony, like, aw. And very abstract, and I like this. And this looks like it's from the Wally, because it has like a little pot and it, the colors coming out. And this, be the change. Oh, I like that. Be the change. And I also like bees. I don't know if you know this, but I love bees, butterflies, and wildflowers because they all go together, right? They're symbiotic relationships. Okay, another flower and butterfly with wildflowers, definitely, but I'm trying to figure out what that green ball is in the back, which is nice. I thought there was a moon up first, but I don't think that's right. But it's very pretty. Maybe it's just a design. And my favorite flower, believe it or not, and for many years before I realized how beautiful wildflowers were, is carnations. And here it is. And again, this butterfly. But take a look at this one. This would make it like a great tattoo, guys. Yeah, look at it. It's like a butterfly here and a butterfly on the other side with the wildflowers. That's actually very beautiful. I like it. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I should have probably started with the card, which she put stickers all over that too, which is very cute. You know, I just think of, you know, when I see things like this, it's just how much time is she spending thinking about me and putting this together. And that's so very thoughtful, and I really do appreciate that. And friend mail just excites me anyway. Okay. And oh my gosh, look at that beautiful Hallmark card. Oh, this is actually very beautiful with a nice embossed gold. Kisses. Oh, again, I gotta put on my glasses. Okay, Alexis, thank you so much for the beautiful friend mail items. I absolutely loved every single item you sent. The personalization is so sweet. Love you, girl, Stephanie. Aw, Stephanie, love you back for sure. And look how she just decorated all this. And you know, for me, friendship means everything. And being able to cultivate such friendship where you can be honest with somebody and give your opinion, not expect that they're going to bite your head off or not like you anymore. I really like that. That's very refreshing, and I don't have to watch, you know, my opinions, and my opinions are respected, and that's just so very important. And then the other thing she said, oh, these are very nice. She knows. She sent me back my favorite mask, and this actually was very good, and it's the Best Friend Smelling Green Tea Mask. And you remember I did use this on a Mask Monday, and I really did enjoy it. It's beautiful mask, and the combination of snail mucin and green tea is just like perfect. And you know, I've not had that before. I've definitely had snail mucin, but not the mixture. And it was really nice. So if you ever see this, grab it for yourself, and it's really worth it. And the next one is by Creme Shop, and I love Creme Shop, and I do order things from them as well. And this is Glow Up Skin. It's skin glowing mask. Very cute. Looking forward to use that too. Very nice. And the next one is again Be Bouncy Skin Animated Bare Face Mask infused with hydrating watermelon. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. You know, she did a video, and I always found these things so cute, but I've never been able to find the animated ones, like the nice animated ones. I've had one, but they were kind of like faded looking. But yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's that. Okay, thank you so very much, Stephanie, for this beautiful gift. And like I said, you guys, if you don't know who she is, please check her out, Opinionated Horsewoman. I'll tell you what, matter of fact, I'll drop her link below so you can go directly to her channel, okay? Thanks. And also, Mary Ellen, thank you so much for this very beautiful, heartfelt card. It just means so much to me to know that I'm able to help people, and especially my beautiful wildflowers. And thank you so much for sending me a card back to say that you got the card. And I hope I continue to create good videos and valuable content for you and all the rest of the beautiful wildflowers, okay? Alrighty, so the moment you guys have been waiting for, let's go to commercial break and see who the winner for the Bombas giveaway is. Here we go. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are again. Today we're here to select the winner for the surprise box, and which was in the Bombas video. That's what I'm calling it. And that was on October 28th. And so what I did was I copied and pasted the URL from that video here, and I selected filter duplicate users so everyone has a fair one entry, and then the filter comments based on a specific text, and I asked for the word Bombas, which was the name of the socks, B-O-M-B-A-S. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find out how many people actually entered, and let's see if I can find my cursor. Here we go. And here we go. Yeah, we had 40 comments. Okay, that's a little more than my typical, I guess, hidden giveaway, but I guess maybe it wasn't so hidden. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to start the drawing. Okay, Dana Rosemont. Sorry about that. She had to say, "Good morning, love. The Bombas, I want some." And smiley face, smiley face. Okay, Dana, let's see if you are subscribed to me publicly, and that is a requirement as stated in the rules. And let's see, let's go to her channels, and let's see if I have to scroll all the way down really fast. Oh, I did. Okay, here we go. Really fast. And Elisa, thank you so much for giving me the hint. It says Control F, right? Control F. Nothing's happening here. Let's try Command F. Oh, here we go. Now let's put in Haute, Modesty. Oh my gosh, there it is. It worked. Elisa, you're a lifesaver. Did you see that, guys? I had to scroll down really fast to the bottom, and then I do Command F on a Mac, which would be a Control F for any PC and Microsoft, and then you put the name of the channel you're looking for, and look, it pops right up. It actually works. Thank you so much. Sorry about that. I digress. So anyway, sorry, Dana. So you are officially the winner, and I will give you the rules on how to contact me in the video. So back to the main programming. Okay, welcome back. Congratulations, Dana. Good win. So the rules are you must contact me within 48 hours of the video. And what I do is I start at noon of the day because I do post quite early and you may not be up. So the 48 hours starts at noon of the day that the video was launched, okay? And how you can reach me is either you scroll all the way down on any one of my videos all the way to the bottom of the details tab, and my email address will be there. Send me your address and acknowledge that you did see the video. Or you can find me on Instagram under haute.modesty, HAUTE Modesty, Modesty, and then send me your mailing address so I can get you your surprise box to you, okay? And also, don't forget, guys, I still do have a giveaway running right now, so you're gonna have to find the surprise video, the video that has that in it. And I'm gonna give you a hint. It was at the beginning of the month, and we're only like, what, on the 3rd? So it wouldn't be that hard to figure out. So take a look if you want to enter the other giveaway, and that was the mask giveaway. So it'll be a set of masks and a couple of other things. And so, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for watching today. And yeah, I just want to tell you, I know I look really kind of weird, right? But this is also my lazy hijab, you know, my sport hijab. And I've been running around like crazy this week trying to catch up on things. And I know tomorrow I'm supposed to post a video with Angie with 4F Beauty, which is a collab video, but things just is going crazy in her world and my world, so we agreed to post it next Thursday, but instead I'm going to post another equivalent like video, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell so that way you know every time I upload a brand new video. And also select all. That's the part I forgot. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember what does matter though, and a field of the roses, the field of roses. Be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.